Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your interest in Pinterest. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen, and then you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. From over here you will see the option called Home Feed Tuner. Click on it. From inside here you want to go on the interest section. From over here, interest, as you guys can see, the pictures which has the tick mark is my current interest. I'm interested in anime, illustrations, soccer. Now, if I want to be uninterested in anything, let's say I'm not interested in motorcycle, I can click on the tick mark right beside the motorcycle and it'll say plus. Once it says plus, it basically means that interest is removed. Now, if I want to add another interest, I can click on plus. Let's say I like the interest called wallpaper. I can click on plus right beside wallpaper and that interest will be added. So just like that, you guys can change interest in Pinterest. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. And if you wait for some time and click on refresh feed, your feed will be refreshed with new interest. So that's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.